In this video, I will show you how to change age on eharmony. Start by opening the eharmony website on your PC. Click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen, and from the drop-down, select Help. In the search bar, type in age. You will see a few suggestions pop up. Look for the one that says how to change your age on eharmony and click that. You will be directed to a short guide that tells you to contact customer care for this request. Click Contact Customer Care, then fill in your email address, choose a subject from the drop-down, and enter your message. For example, I will type, I would like to change my birthday to 08/04/2001. Click Next, then Send. And that's it. Just wait up to 48 hours for their response, and they will help you out from there. That's how to change age on eHarmony.